No, that's your shoe. Sorry. Sorry, where I go drop one?
Drop it there.
Where, sir?
No, keep it on my head.
Okay.
Are you mad?
Oh, why you hit me now? Why you hit me? No, you tell me just now. I said, where will I drop this shoe? Okay, where I drop your shoe? You said drop it on my head. I'll drop it for your head now. Why you gonna beat me?
Let me ask you something. Which part of the zoo were you coming from?
What zoo?
What zoo?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, oh, this guy is so crazy. You know what? Prepare, because you'll be going back to that Oba zoo, and I'll ask them to transfer you from that zoo to a wide inside the bush zoo, because that is where you belong. You don't belong here at all. You're just a zoo. In fact, go and clean this shoe the second time.
I don't know which kind of person or God they wear this kind of shoe. See Timberland wey person they wear. Even if you go for our village, nobody wear this kind of shoe.
Go.
Forget herself.
Hey!
Forget yourself now. No, I'll be your.
Wait, why you use me they do wage now?
If you see, when I go main road, I see one cripple man. He can't carry one barry woman, and the barry woman get pikin. As they one cross express, name deaf and don't call my name. Oh, Tabia! Now I shout, hello!
Hey! Wait, no vessel. As you go, you come meet cripple man.
Yes.
The hair barrel woman.
We get pikin.
Cross express.
Yes.
Na deaf and don't call hala your name.
Oh, Tabia.
Tabia.
Yes, that's all I will see happen.
Your name, it's important where abi.
I don't know why you know they believe me every time.
How your name go dey important like that? This your lie na belle full. Sorry, na hungry man.
Come on for here, you two dey disbelieve.
How you want me to believe
this? A prophet no honor for a papa house, but no problem, you understand?
Do you remember when I tell you say mama just carry own me?
You don't give me.
No be small thing today.
What's here?
Maybe I go there now. I say make I go draw them. Wetin dey owe me? As I reach there, I don't know why bad thing dey happen to good people for this world wey we dey.
Wetin go happen now?
No be wetin I wan talk now, dey rush me like tom-tom. You wan lick me like tom-tom? Just as I say make I reach there, Now she say they do WrestleMania. They do WrestleMania like on John Cena and Undertaker. They use blood to they exchange greeting. Now say make I go there, make I go find out the cause of the problem so that I'll see update. Make I fit give my sister when they call her or tap pia.
So wetin go happen na? Bayo Bello, wetin happen?
No be wetin I wan tell you now when they shout. Now she say they say Mama Kelechi fowl come go give Mama Jessica fowl belle. Then Mama Jessica come say Mama Kelechi come vex. You say for what? This will not happen to me over my dead body. Nah, Mama Kelechi come go bring her own goat, her own he goat to make it still go give Mama Jessica she goat belle, make it be draw.
Ha! Bayo Bello, you can lie, yo. You be lying, nusu. Your lie, if it solve the problem of this country.
Now may we use like say hit ourselves. Now may we die there now. No be you say cripple go help deaf and go holla your name or tap pia. Wetin come make you feel say I no go fit still use lie to give you back to back.
Abeg go sleep. You too dey lie.
Give me my biscuit.
Lie don't make sense at all.
Open your biscuit, man.
My brother, sorry to disappoint you. This one I want for the road.
Abeg chop, make we go hustle better fowl go to rescue our conscience later.
This one I want for the road.
If I can't open my own, now you call it.
Why they follow me now?
Now who buy am?
You buy again do your own. You want to take my
I
own?
don't understand. Don't be asking me. You to say if you find that.
See, if you need to get power, knock this thing.
I don't knock am.
Where's Asalabia? You knock her?
I knock am.
Cross this line or come here. Just the choose and put. You know why so. Ha.
When I pursue this fowl, you no put body o. They waka like toro. I mean the somersault they run up and down. Now you don't done.
Apart from the law of nature, when you dey coach, and I put it to you. When I change this fowl, you know say this fowl not strong. So this 10 minutes when this pepper soup dey ready, they all not pass to the make noise. Otta, look your back. Look your back. I know they do ojoro. Look your back. You see this boy? Na prostitute. Na so girls they carry. Na how hotel where I for work before. Every day they come evening, afternoon, night.
You carry woman?
No.
I go save this girl. Watch and see. Just watch film without that. Yes! Come. Hey! Come. 12 na they call. The girl. Now yes, the woman is you I'm calling.
What's happening?
Sister, come. The person they call you go the answer. Come. You know this boy where you and they follow so? You know anything about him?
When I go here, person they follow that they talk now.
See, I don't have time for this kind of nonsense. We have somewhere to do.
Hey, you want boycott me because you know the kind thing you want discuss. You know say I want spoil show for you. See, man, tell you this your boyfriend now, womanizer, Casanova, and Ashara don't do Ashawo.
See, babe, it's a lie. You. How do you mean, girl? Look at me, it's a lie, babe. Look at me. Believe me, it's a lie.
You don't know why, B. You don't know tap I go now. What the worry is on? Hey, sister. You see this boy? God. He they follow woman well. He they carry women. Everything they do. Oh, guy, you don't know this sense. What be that hotel where you don't work for?
Okay,
before.
just yours.
St. Justice Hotel. Eh? Oh, you dey tell me man shut up. See how you dey do man shut up. You don't know me. Oga, you know what? You know go St. Justus Hotel.
Prove it. Don't be. Prove it to me because I know this boy is a e-goat.
Now e-goat he be. Now you know they say as he be. He be like e-goat. He dey look am now. If you look at your own say na bleaching. Excuse me.
These people are lying to you. You know
download
now.
to this man wetin dey happen.
Download wetin now.
Download wetin you tell me to them now. Now you tell me just now say the man when you dey work for.
Wait,
so you Otta, this is not concern you. This matter not concern you.
So you join. Okay, now the plan be.
Excuse me, my brother tell me say when he dey for St. Jude's hotel dey work as gate man. He say for that hotel say this your bleaching boyfriend dey carry different guests come for the hotel. You go carry black, short, fat, slim, flat nyash, bronc nyash, fat nyash,
don't believe them.
operation nyash, surgery nyash come.
It is a joke, babe. It's a joke now. It's a joke now. You know I love you now. You know me now.
Festus.
I don't want to see you again.
Ah, beautiful. Very beautiful.
Come now.
My sister, you are delivered for the spirit of
Thunder wey go fire you, eh? See, the thunder wey go fire you. See what it cost now.
my brother, you get liver come here. Man, don't beat am, go beat you woto.
This house dey look like goat.
Ask my brother.
You don't.
This my brother wey dey beat am, I dey beat my brother anyhow. Not to confuse.
If I catch this village, if I catch it up,
You be worried.
that don spoil run.
You get level, climb up now. The thing wey dey between your leg dey hit you baga, e dey hurt you. You dey find where you wan go develop. I don spoil your runs today.
I not play.
Evening. This way you are talking to yourself. Hope all is well.
All is not well, my son. How can I be losing my fowl one after the other? Under 1 month, 4 fowl gone, just like that.
Mr. Oko, I not say anything, but I think the best person to answer this question is Otapiapia.
Rat poison. Who is Otapiapia?
You don't know Otapiapia? Obaze's children.
Those cursed children?
Well, I saw them this morning coming out from your compound. Don't tell them I'm the one that I did not say anything. No, me, I did not say anything.
Oh, I should have known better. No, this will be the last time they will steal from anyone. My own fowl? No, it cannot be possible.
I don't know what's going on.
I am surprised. For over 1 hour, we have been waiting for food here. Oh.
What is this?
Otta, what is that?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Desperate timekeeper, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, plus myself. Standing before you is my humble self. I want to tell you now that the food wey I don dey prepare since go soon done, and if you don, una go chop, and if una chop, una go get.
What is the meaning of this? If you don't get this food from me, I will go out and buy food for myself.
You too dey fun, whereas you no get anything. You dey talk now say, yeah, I will go buy food outside. Which food? All those food wey your girlfriend dey cook for you for outside. Now you want you to compare food wey dey cook for you, papa. Abeg no make no let this your yellow and black baby dey deceive you again o. Don't make dey get white baby, you dey get yellow baby.
Are you insane?
Which one be say I mean say?
Did I hear you say girlfriends?
Mama, even at your age, she no dey catch you. Man no dey tire you, mama. Sass is just dey jealousy because of wetin I hear talk na.
Why won't I be jealous? Is he not my husband?
Your men dey brag about better people. See who you dey brag about. Your men dey just brag about men wey get money. Dey brag about poverty people. Mama no dey disappoint me again. Which kind of talk up be that one see papa wey you dey brag about? If not be our great grandfather wey leave this house for us as inheritance, papa for see money to build this house. No be one good person wey dey do charity. Na every money wey take roof and this recent roofing. You dey here dey jealousy that papa. But for your information, Shana joke I no take am serious. Papa get money to carry side chick. If papa carry side chick, man wine. Papa get money. You know men when they carry side chick. Not say to keep side chick na better money o. Papa get shishi. Sir.
Is it my husband that you're calling a poor man?
No, your ancestor the toto. Your ancestor the toto.
Come on, get out of this place.
No, your ancestor.
Shut up.
No, your ancestor they talk about. This is our husband. He said me to marry papa. I don't go marry. I go. They want me. They want me.
Did you see the product you gave to me? Look at her.
You are saying this?
Yes.
Otapia.
Mr. Oko.
Oko, my friend.
Please keep that princess to yourself. I'm not here for welcome party or ceremony. Rather to tell you the mistake you have as children. Tell your children to go and return my fowl. Tell them to return my fowl. Yes, this community will not good for two of us.
I am confused here.
No, pretender, keep confusing. Tell your children that Otapia, your child Otapia, your daughter Otapia, to return my fowl. Tell her to return my fowl.
Come, where are you? Who gave you the name Otapia?
Excuse me, back of pot, excuse me. If get away they talk, we don't burn for fire they talk. You will be back of pot, go follow me, open my talk. Excuse me, why they call my name? Why you not give me without respect? What did I do you this time?
Where is my fowl you and your brother stole in my house?
What is fowl? Is fowl a name of person, animal, place or thing?
No, things an animal.
Hey, for your information, Shab, is that I know they do anything called foul. My papa, mama ask them, and now big things like they are into big things, big time. Like now big things like you're gonna do foul shit. I don't even know what's called foul. But my brother, if my brother Payo Benlo come back, now only Payo you know those kind of things because that Payo now they run those kind of shit. I don't run those kind of shit. Foul shit, I don't run it. So now Payo, you go wait me Payo come back. I cannot. Like for this panel of judges now, I cannot judge for Payo. When Payo come, Payo will judge with his mouth and talk what I see in the hands of the fowl.
Obaze, tell this your fabricated Abino to get my fowl.
Ha!
You have heard her now, so can you now go?
Get out of my father's house.
Mr. Oko.
Azite, get out of my father's house.
Imite.
Azite, back out of my father's house.
Imite.
Go out.
Get me my fowl.
Mr. Oko, how can you come here without any evidence? Mr. Oko, stop taking ogogoro in the afternoon.
Mama, may God bless you.
Because it's not good for you.
Panya, the drink anyhow. See, Abolo.
It's not your fault, too.
We take on here. You know, now what you cause am Kai na you cause am
Obaze, so it has gotten to this, Ali.
You make me laugh.
Don't worry, I will go.
They go.
But I shall come back.
They're gonna be airport builders. They go, come on for now you take on here. Your next they go for where money day. They say, where is my 1,000, 100,000 naira? Where is my 1 million naira? Because of foul, now this full-blooded man come with your bowl of liquor, come here, come there for front of my papa and mama. Where poverty they worry, cause they tell the poverty talk. Get good friend wey get money, you say no. Say that this kind of people.
You are not innocent. Shut up. I say shut up.
Otta.
Shut up. I don't think you are innocent in this.
Your mates they talk about money. Friends and friends discuss about money. But my papa and his friend they discuss about foul.
Chinedu, those people messed me up.
Messed you up? How?
In front of my girl like this, you needed to have been there.
I'm still trying to understand. Messed you up. What really happened? Tell me, just what is up?
I was just passing through their house with my baby. Understand?
You mean then, Joyce?
Now who else?
Yes.
Normal with the gist they talk. Then this witch of a girl, what is her name again? Otapia. Just came from nowhere with huge lies, telling lies about my dealings with women. In the front, my brother, I don't die finish. And to crown it all, she called that her brother. That I don't know what it be that. Bayo. That one came to testify. I no fit open my talk like this. I no fit defend myself.
What did you just call her? Otapia. Have you forgotten the meaning of that name? Otapia. She puts her mouth in everything that doesn't concern her. But that's not a problem. But you yourself, you know say your hand no clean.
No, what do you mean by my hand no clean? Because I tell you, Abi.
Make I boil your beans.
Calm down.
And
you said, my brother.
Baba, I'm go find something choppy. Which one?
I'm hungry, you.
We know they are devils, but let's just take their matter out of our mind.
I am very, very serious. Payo, you must tell me all that I need to know. Did you hear me?
Papa, I don't even understand what they talk about now. You just be like say you carry me upside and you shake me.
Don't tell her the truth, I don't tell you.
Which truth you say make I talk? First, Papa say he dey serious. I ain't no dey hospital. Not be dey hospital, not be the dey serious. I don't know what they talk about. True speaking to my heavenly Father, I don't know.
Ha! Fire.
Pius.
Mama.
Oko was here. He said you and your sister has been coming to his house to steal his fowl. How true is that?
I'm innocent and Otapia is my wickedness. Sorry, my weakness. Maybe my weakness.
But your sister said we should ask you.
Hey! Ota say you don't fool yourself now. You don't disgrace yourself. Papa, I go confess and I go confess now. Now me and this Ota we do head like we this head be like a mina this thing. When I don't know how to describe her now. As we dey come for road now she just tell me say you go cut eye for me. As they cut my eye for me like this, one of you ear call the shake. As the ear they shake, I don't say this girl they be like who want to foul. They do like who want to foul. Now me go read her mind because of that song we say I can't read your mind. As I don't read her mind, I don't say she want to foul. The next thing I say she dey choke on, foul come dey waka come. The next thing that now she hold the foul. I could say leave this foul. She not here. How she could use this foul take waka? Me no know. But the only thing I know say na me and I waka together when the foul lost.
Ota, turn and look at us. You're turning your back.
So, ma'am,
She cut on her. She cook
Papa, no mind the CBS way they talk. You might gonna do every small thing. No fit speak common English. That make you never pass exam for your life before. Papa say, Mama, good day panel of judges. Papa, wetin happen be say, as I was moving, me and my brother Payo Benlo, we dey move. Now, as we dey go like this, Payo we just see Shiki just cross us. I say, what is happening? As the Shiki cross us, he no greet us. Now I say, what? Payo, this Shiki did not greet us. I say, Shiki, why did not greet me and my brother? What have we done to you? The Shiki just dey look us. Now Payo just tell me say, oh yeah, more carry the Shiki. Make we go show and pepper. Nothing na choose. I wan go show the Shiki pepper. Now I take carry the Shiki. Ma for show and pepper.
Ota, you show foul. Pepper.
Mama no dey rush again. No, we no show and pepper. We no later show and pepper. As good citizens of this country, we no show and pepper. No conclude. Never conclude. Mama, you too dey rush. That make I too dey vex for you. You dey rush too much. We no show the chicken pepper now. As I got the plan, let me show the chicken pepper now. As I catch the chicken to show and pepper. Now Payo come still tell me say, my sister, mom no show the chicken pepper. Let us just show this chicken pepper soup. We can't show the chicken pepper soup.
Hey!
How would they?
Ota! Chicken when I tell you say, chicken when you tell me say, if we catch her, I could say maybe we catch this chicken. No carry this chicken go house. As the chicken don't get respect for himself, and you don't get respect for Edda, and the chicken just do face like you. I could tell you say, maybe we carry this chicken go inside house. No go the teach her respect. That's when they call her respect. We teach her how to greet elders, seniority by seniority. As the chicken just go black like that man when he get her. Not be you go carry the chicken. Chicken I say if we mutual respect finish next week, we'll return the chicken back. Now you don't hear the misbehave.
Maybe next month you tell us we go return the chicken.
Next week I talk.
Which time say na next week?
No be next week.
Next month.
Na next week I talk. I say we. I go hit this people head. What is for you? The chicken don't get sense like who gets her. Maybe we carry her. I go hit this part of your head. I go hit this part of. Na next week I talk.
You have to run your papa street. See, you know what you are like about you, eh? You see that chicken wey we just talk about so. You know say the chicken wey resemble you now, so just as your destiny just be like chicken like this now. You dey see the chicken now. You see the chicken now.
Destiny I be like chicken.
If you wan be chicken,
Wetin go make say papa never even just talk, mama never even just talk. You just begin dey confess.
What do you want make I do? They bring me come for court of justice. You know say papa na court, mama na court of law.
I put it to you. You are guilty at charge.
Who's guilty at charge?
I put it to you.
I put it to you.
I put it to you.
You are guilty at charge.
I put it to you. Take court to case now. I will take court to case. I put it to you. You are guilty at charge.
Court of the law. Court of the law. My brother is guilty at charge. Panel of justice. Bang.
Mr. Oko.
Maybe it's by the pantry. You know he normally stays there.
Let's go meet him now. Mr. Oko.
Mr.
Who is that?
See you.
Mr. Oko, Mr. Oko.
Good evening, my husband.
Please look in your eyes here. We have been friends for such a long time. Our children will not spoil the relationship we've had over the years. That's why we are here. I want to apologize on their behalf. Please. We know they stole your fowl. And it's not a good one. Please forgive them.
My husband, please forgive my children. They promised us they won't do it again.
Oko, my friend, it's okay. Yeah, we are sorry.
Obaze?
Yes.
It's all right.
Oh, thank you so much.
Like you rightly said, we have been friends for a very long time now.
That's true.
And our children will not put any dispute between us. You should thank Chinedu, Uka's son. If not for him, I'm already on my way to lay a curse on the thieves. Because he was the one that saw your children in my compound. But now that you are here, that means they have realized their mistakes and I've already forgiven them.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You know, festive season is fast approaching.
That's true. That's true.
I know no one play with his or her fowls.
Yes.
Very, very important. Like you've seen there.
Yes.
I know they have taken their own out of it. I have already sold others. I can't say they stole it because they are our children.
No, that's why we have come to pay for it. So that's.
Obase, what are we friends for? Your children are my children. Why would you pay for it? No, keep the money.
So you mean those children just ate the chicken for free?
Let them eat it. Yes. My fowl are your fowls. And your children are my children. So let them eat it. This money will serve you. It will go a long way for them. At least get them some fowl. Let them eat more and more. Because festive season is very, very important to everyone. And no one play with fowls.
That's true. That's true.
As you can see, in my account, it's empty. I can't say they stole it. Let me say they took their own out of it and have sold others. Obaze, get them more so that they will not go and steal from another person another day. I am only forgiving you because you are my friend.
Yes.
Nobody, someone else will not have that mind to forgive them. Buy enough fowl for them. Let them eat.
I will.
As for my own, if I say stole, it's understatement. They took it away.
Okay, thank you
So
very much.
my fowl are your fowl. Your children are my children.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let them eat it.
Thank you.
you.
I really appreciate it.
No problem, madam. Let us go. Let me see you up. Let them not steal again.
You know, say you don't tell when me and you do this biscuits trick.
Okay.
See how I want to do this biscuits now. If you whine around, it face you and me as your senior, na me go carry am.
Okay.
Now, if you can't whine now, you can't face negative direction. As negative girl where you be, only you go chop am. Do you?
I be positive girl.
Oh yeah, now. Your time start now.
So I don't carry her around.
You carry weight too. Carry weight. I say if you whine around, you be whine and you hold on like this.
But I'm whine around now. Not you talk. If first this side now, now my own.
I
you
said
don't
you
say first straight and your own.
I said make you no what I talk say. I said if you face straight, not my straight.
This thing not be
now
straight.
Me know the straight when
this
I want.
Now
this can
straight.
straight.
Vertical. Like this now be straight.
Now this can straight. Now
no,
they like.
No, not be that one straight. Straight na straight.
Now this one I don't make me remember this thing when they talk. Remember that my friend now. That my low budget friend. When be they use a barrow to the push. When be they push truck for inside market now. That my yellow friend when you say the one that they do eye for you. Osaze now.
Oh, that old Yakpo.
We say this world will be a better place for us to live in. We don't live in a go Cotonou.
Chai.
Baby.
Chai. You see why they tell you say this life no balance. Life no balance like this. So. At all. No wonder get there now, get with the secondary school, the breast go still stand. Before you go finish secondary school, the breast go fall. Now make if you go for club, hype man go there hype. You see any girl where breast still stand, but tell her congratulations because it's not easy. It's not easy, I'm easy.
Okay, now make they talk that thing when they say nothing stand for anybody forever.
Yes, even breast no dey stand forever, breast dey fall.
I be this one into that true, not just think about the only lie when be one day there. And those emina this thing when I be done good, they see for there. That hyping, when you be the hype. You know if your breast is standing, congratulations. You want swallow me?
That club will just say color.
How na take waka?
Is that the welcome you're supposed to tell us? Or is something walking you?
Oh, sorry, our ancestors.
Well, he has forgiven you.
Wait till I tell you. I said that man don't get mind. Maybe we thief more chick, he say he go forgive us. You say we'll take only one.
Stop! Something of such must not repeat itself in this house again. Else I will disown both of you.
Huh?
This papa supposed to don't go they do stand comedy.
Why are you laughing?
The way when you say threatening us like say we fed dey really fast for this compound. You will say you want the soul children when they don't already
Meaning what?
since the day when they born on already so hot.
Meaning say papa na only your $10 get right to say disown the children. Papa this tricky man like you no fit disown us. That's why inherit.
We
You
grew
no get
up.
property. You
You know say we grew up in this block like this.
This is say your ancestors give you. Where you no fit build new house.
Okay, see this one now when they born us so only us that we don't grow past this house. This house they never fit put one block on top.
Papa go put one block. Every year one block. Every year one block.
You both should be grateful that Chinedu was the one that stopped Okono to lake us on you.
Which Chinedu? That shot of Yakpo.
Bleach it, Chinedu.
Yakpo Chinedu. Nine
report
us for us.
Okay. I did not say he reported you. What I am saying is that he was the one that begged Oko not to lay curse on you. So both of you should go and appreciate him.
Okay. What did that bleach Chinedu?
Nine and the bleach Chinedu.
That one will be like
short of
Yakpo. Okay, now, no, as sisters, as my sister when you pay, how want to appreciate these gods of our land now?
As my mind have tell me now, we'll go for 4 junction. We'll carry clay pot, we'll boil 2 egg, put her for inside. They drop and take.
Now ancestors, no be ancestors. This one no be better ancestors. Now when you dey appease better ancestors, then they talk this one. This kind of low budget ancestors. Okay. Suppose give am like chicken when get 3 eye like this opolo eye.
Chicken get 3 eye.
Yes, now all those foreign chicken.
I no sure.
Okay, what you say we want to appreciate this kind of person now?
I don't understand. Come on, give me the biscuit. Give me that biscuit now.
Wait. Let me this biscuit look just now.
I tell you. You think I forget?
You don't do your eye like this. Your eye don't blink like this. This that. You go come be like say you come be like this. Me go put it for you. You go tear am for you. Me go tear am for there. You won't enter your mouth. Go enter your mouth. You won't enter my mouth. Go enter my mouth.
You won't apply for me. You don't fit try for me.
Now me you take this biscuit.
I go chop you like shark. I go chop you.
Now me and you take this biscuit.
Cause nothing good they come out of them. Oh, Monday, so
I dey tell you, if not be that way Papa misbehave. If not be that way Papa misbehave, by now, at least all the 600 what they get sometimes through all this our small konja billions. For the use and give Papa mate to everybody.
Not be your Papa mate build this house. Where
that
you
man, I hear say they say na abroad the day.
Fine girl.
Yes, come here. I said, man, come here.
Dometila.
Come here. She dey blow, but she dey talk like bird wey don faint.
Na you be bird.
Maybe they chop
Wetin
dog
happen?
food.
You know, say when I dey stay with mama, I too like am. He's small now. Don big. You know, say I no dey fit beat am. You know, I just like am. Mama dey sharp. Na weakness. You see, look at me when I dey give you instruction. I no slap you. You all red pass this one wey you dey now. Go meet your mama for house. Tell your mama say all my property wey I leave when I dey work for your mama, may you give you, may you carry am go give my papa. Because before your mama sack me, no, in short, your mama no sack me. Now two of us sack ourselves. I sack your mama sack me. So nobody lose.
Abi mama tire for your wahala, na I push you
No,
go for our stuff.
Shut
Wetin
I'll
no beat am. Na small pikin. The girl too like am. No beat am.
See,
dey pay now? Go tell my mommy.
I don't know say
He dey get one sickness. He dey get sickness.
which kind of sickness?
No worry, if you comot, I'll tell you. Tell your mama say, "May give me my property. May you carry am come and pass fast for you. Oh, you get out of
Only
here."
you go collect.
Save up, poor.
See as e be like retired tree stick.
Like
Retired tree stick na this girl be.
I've been a teddy bear. You say they sick.
And the girl dey sick o. Na make I no dey wan beat am. E dey sick of this thing wey dey call aspra.
Nah, last man.
Dey fit breathe.
Okay, last man.
Okay, last man.
Last
Yes,
man.
last man. Don't dey fit breathe. Breathe dey hard dem to.
Why then they find people they get last
I
man?
no wan make the girl die. Na make
Don't
her.
that you nearly get that
Na you
child.
nearly get am. God forbid back to you. No be me o. Na
Now
papa. Na be like say na papa and mama na him get am sef. No be me.
your papa, your mama.
Na your papa and your
Na
mama.
your papa, your
Na your
mama.
papa and mama na him get am.
Our helper, oh, Chinedu. Our helper, oh, Chinedu. There is something that make us come into your presence, Chinedu. Oh, our Lord and personal
Our
Savior.
personal savior Chinedu. We thank you for interceding for us.
Robo Zondo.
Our Chinedu, thank you for telling people not to curse us.
Asabagada Chinedu scatter. Robo Zondo.
Hello. Excuse me, I don't understand. Why are you singing my name? Like, why?
Tell them why we dey sing it. Yes. Shebi na you go dey intercede for our behalf now. You go dey intercede when they no curse us. As intercessor wey you be. Abi? As intercessor wey you be. We beg you. Gossiper. Take over.
We dey try when we tell you say the help when they help us, it dey reach our body. May me and my sister come appreciate you in your due coin. May we appreciate you. You dey hear am?
You see the food body, you don't get respect.
So, after stealing from Mr. Oko, you still have the nerves, you still have the right to stop me on the way.
Okay, now you really talk that thing.
Now
you talk that thing. Go here.
Stop bring your hand.
Go here. Now you talk.
Count yourself lucky.
Set yourself.
Now jump for there.
This boy get pride. You too get pride. You want to put us on jail? Okay, Moses are do.
So you are here. Mr. Oko, you are here. You are here drinking. I told you how you'll be able to recover your fowl from those two devils. You went and reported me to them. Look at what they did to my body. If only you know the reason why they call that girl Tapiapia and Payo. Look at what they did to my body. Now they are threatening I cannot stay in my house. I will come to your house and stay in your house.
You mean those children beat you up? This is unbelievable.
You call them children. Payo and Tapiapia. Those people they are devils, oh, they are devils. Look at what now they are threatening that I will not stay in my own house. I will come to your house. I will come.
To which house?
To your house now.
To do what?
Oh, so you want to use my good against me?
You want to use my good against me? Oh, you want them to come and chase both of us? Is that what you want? So you want me to sleep outside? If I was your son, will you allow me to sleep outside? There's no problem. There's no problem. You have no problem. Thank you very much. I beg, go now. Only gossip. I beg. Gossip, come. Thank God I've sold all my fowls. These children will have come back home. I have to leave this town. Very important. No, this one is telling me you come and stay with me for what? So that I will come and chase both of us.
And this sun I don't dey above my head now. I don't dey like 3 o'clock. When I say this idiot, I still just be like this now. If you not be idiot now, when you be, see where sun dey. Sun dey at that time when I say you message. See where sun come dey now.
This son, at least this son, I tell one am say me men dem go come. You saw no dey hear one.
How someone say wait for you?
I dey tell her now. You know them when I tell her say me wait for me.
Now day like today, now they supposed to dey go church. You know say before this one, people need that Sunday. Now sun na hot that day. When they go just say Sunday, when they go dey go church inside Sunday.
Okay, Sunday.
Put to the worry you said. Now you get this way you want to open. In fact, where my change? It has to get where you put my change.
Take.
Why you dey give me wazobia?
She say if I return bottle, she'll give me the remaining one. I bet forget, no dey fool yourself. You big pass 15 naira.
Who big pass 15 naira they throw away in you?
That's the shot. No dey shot like say na me owe your destiny. Your destiny no dey my hand o.
See person wey wan hold person destiny. You no fit hold my destiny because my destiny large, it bright, it big.
Share this thing, I won't get data, I won't get data.
May they open it.
Good afternoon, sir. We are happy to see you.
May
God bless you.
Thank you.
Listen to me. I'm not here to be laughed at. Oh, look, your ugly faces. Rather to tell you to stay away from Chinedu. You only do both of you good.
Okay. Oh no, you say wait. Which one be Chinedu? Which one be? What kind of talk is that one? Which one be chick? Which kind of chicken be that one? Oh, sorry, Chinedu be that one. If you like say Chinedu one more change for him. It is with the fear face. Which kind threatening come be that one for Chinedu? What change for him? Moment Chinedu no allows. While they sleep, Chinedu one go wake and give her woto.
But if your face remain like this, you will not get rain for the next 2 years. So try to better your face. You should be squeeze sound.
Listen to me, both of you. You see cockroach? When they do like this, say if you fly like bird, now hand they catch them. Be warned.
Organo verse. You see this fear when you see fear when people for our body now. No start at the shake.
I don't hear what you want to make us sir with the fear. You don't catch us with the fear. Shako. So as be like that shako will take the bunny sense. No sense. I beg won't come up for road.
No be na fault now. Na parent I blame.
You know see as your face dey excuse now. It be like accident coffee. Hey. You see call now they misbehave. See one leg dey for Manam, the other one dey for Asaba. Hey, girl, you wear pampers.
No, wow.
Anyway, you remember what I tried to tell you that time? You see that your 15 naira. You go use and take hype yourself. Man pour for you. Oh, yeah, clean your man pour for you.
I don't clean my hands.
You do the talk.
Small. I wear bread now. Wear bread.
Good. Take. Stop. Man pour inside. Now like this, they do one. Chop. They chop like goat. My inside they chop like goat. You grew up now. You go to be like.
Which can talk come down? Now see the small one. Add small one. You don't do. You don't know say as hand you go to filter. My person. I saved you that day. Have fun. You see the verse? I better rest. You see the verse about the other day? Instead of you to thank me, you know what I save you from? Immediately my brother dispensed that information give me. Now tell my brother say no, I go save the girl child. Now quickly attack the boy for front of you. If not, that boy if I don't put you for family way now. By now if you don't get big belly, you don't go to tell people say, I didn't know my husband was wicked. I didn't know my husband is a womanizer. But on time, I tell you say your husband a Casanova, womanizer and Asha woman. You supposed to thank me.
Really?
As yes now, you supposed to roger me something, even if na 1,000 naira. They give me as thank you for informing me about what I did not know. That is what they call information minister. They thank information minister.
Really?
Now what I do that day, and I'm very proud of it.
Really?
Yes.
So I should give you money?
No money, anything. See what I tell you, don't look me like that too.
I should give you
1,000.
1,000.
See, I be big girl for this village, that's my brother.
Hey.
You see, Payo Bello, ask her who I be, Ota Pepe, I be big girl. 1,000 no be anything. But
I should give you 1,000.
Yes, yeah, roger me 1,000.
I should give you money? That's how you be begging money in this village. Better go and look for a job. Even if it's house help work, go and work. Do you hear me? Because who naked, not the poor hand for pockets. I mean this girl tell this kind of thing. Sure. No, I don't feel. I can't take this. No, not possible. It's not possible. This girl tell me what though. She tell me what will enter my head.
Ayo.
Sister, go and ask her what the problem is, because if I ask her, even until next year she will not tell. But something tells me she's thinking of how to steal another farm.
Papa. Now this one be the problem. How you want make we take they relate with you when you no want relate with us? You go just know the end from the beginning. I want to talk now.
Stop judging me, go and find out what's through this.
No.
Otata. Oti Otapiapia. The only Otapiapia of this whole nation. Ota.
Now they break. You want to break my shoulder? Which kind of talk up with that one now? Why they hit me like that? I be man who.
I'm not vexed now. As you say, it could be like say they don't use your destiny, they use until they grant cassava for village market. Now say make I use this one till welcome you back. I don't know say go pay you now.
You see they hit me. Why am I change up for you now?
Sorry now. You be my only sister in this whole world. You know now. What you so?
My brother, person hit my head.
Papa, come on! They don't kill your daughter. Who kill you?
Hey?
Who did this to you?
Who do it? Don't be this your senseless son. We no get sense. Ewu. Oswo. Sasibi. No, Papa, this one go call you. You go the answer now. No say you know.
No be you say make her come ask and say wetin happen. I ask her then she say the way when she tell they do those they mean this thing. Because she say they don't kill her. I say make your papa ask daughter, because even Bible say daughter behold thy father, father behold thy daughter. Wetin I talk wrong now?
Don't see wetin you dey talk like who no get sense. If e be say they break my head, you know nothing na hospital I go dey. You know how much? And na hospital I dey, your call papa say make come hospital. You know how much they call for hospital be? And papa want know poverty dey worry am. Papa and poverty na brother and sister. Papa no fit pay anything for hospital be. So me sef no go lose guard.
You know say that your papa you dey talk to? That your papa you dey talk to? Your papa even stand here now. You dey talk to your papa anyhow.
Where our papa? Where our papa?
You know they see your papa.
Papa, now you be this.
See your papa now.
Okay, no, my papa. Oh. You know, so sometimes papa they resemble poverty. I know they differentiate between papa and poverty.
Maybe can they confuse you?
Yes, as he stands since I don't know now poverty. Let me can see they rebuke him. As me they talk, they say fire.
No, you know that stand. If you get sense now, you suppose not say papa still they grow. Now you know say that they say Yahoo boys by association. Now if our papa now, if they try to they grow, they add age. Wait, by the time he don't grow for his next life, he go care about me.
So they talk to papa that baby boy.
You two they talk. You two they talk. Shut up. Check this man face. Check your face. You don't have his face squeeze. You don't have your whole squeeze. You go those things if you see you see resemblance. So that you can't escape this resemblance. Now you resemble. Now papa you resemble. Now papa you resemble.
I don't resemble poverty.
Now papa you resemble.
I can never resemble poverty. You don't see better people. You don't see Dangote. You don't see rich men when you talk say I resemble. Now you talk say I resemble poverty.
Dangote just wake up today just talk to Dangote.
If they talk this Dangote, they talk Dangote, they put am with capital letter. You know they check your face, check this man. Will that not be your papa? Okay, now in face you just they look. If you use spiritual eye look this man, you just say na young man. You just they grow. Dangote non start for one day. You know just just wake up turn to Dangote. Our papa go soon grow. Go turn to gold day tank.
Gold day tank. Which kind of rubbish name be that one?
So people are playing with me. So now I mean I can't play this one.
Okay, no, sorry sir. Sorry sir, not be you.
You're not serious.
You get respect for your papa. You get respect for your papa.
Okay, you people are not serious.
So that
Wait be the major problem sef wey make you come dey here na you come dey run colosis.
Oh my brother, if I tell you wetin, my brother don't wait first. Person, your girlfriend tell me word wey dey make me dey think since. You tell me word wey scatter my head.
You don't get girlfriend for this village and I don't know.
My brother.
What did your girlfriend talk?
Wait, I want to ask you one question. Be sincere to me. According to English people, sincerity make perfection.
Oh, English. This is your English enter.
I don't know. I beg. If person tell you like this, say a naked man cannot put hand for a pocket. What do you mean?
Wait, talk am again.
A naked man cannot no fit put hand for pockets.
Wait, this way they tell me now. Now person tell you this thing.
Yes.
Hey, if na you they tell am that thing, that person enjoy you. He enjoy you. Number one, it means say you no get today, you no get tomorrow. Huh? You no get beginning, you no get end. You be NFA, no future ambition.
Jesus.
And to climb the whole thing, it means say you no get money, but you dey buga. You dey buga. Now what you mean? No? If I be you, I go wear coat,
wear tie. Ready?
Azolo! Position! May your picture fine!
No wonder they really hit your head.
Papa, they break your daughter head, though.
Who are you looking for?
I'm looking for my friend Payo. I mean Payo, yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm coming. Wait for me.
I should wait for you. Okay, sir.
Okay, you say you are looking for Payo.
Yes, sir.
Lina! If you move, I will flog on your body. Now tell me the truth, who are you looking for?
they find
you don't know who you are looking for.
I know Otapayo.
Oh,
No. Yeah, Otapapia. Yes. You know, say she be the one for my mama before, so she come forget Anika for our store. Mama come say make I come give her so that she no go tell us say she leave boutique for our house. Now why I come? I know the friend Payo. I know the friend. Okay.
You are lucky. This is so.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, you are lost now, lost.
Thank you, sir.
If you find fight and them they fight you, nothing good they come out of them.
You go call him. You don't go give me scope on how to scope woman. To spin woman, you know say not easy. You na woman, spin me how to spin woman. Spin me how to spin woman.
I don't tell you say she like you already. I just make now she use her mouth tell me say she love you. Now make her dey run this parole.
But now you be Oswo.
Now you be Oswo.
You remember say when they give us rice, I give you fish when they on top for you to help me get this girl.
We should help you get this girl. I dey tell you now say the girl tell me say she love you. So only way you do, you tell her if you meet her you say give me your love and affection.
Only that one.
Yes.
Now make you collect my head of fish.
Don't be say you tell her give me your love.
If she can't tell me, if she can't tell me say I love you back, but I don't want you to break my heart. You can't talk.
You come tell and say okay, no problem. I respect your opinion. Yes. I won't call and respect yourself.
Ready?
Raise your shoulder. Suck your belly inside. She dey like 6-pack, flat tummy. Keep your leg together, no open leg like fish. Stand
like this. If I stand like this, she will just love me.
Joycey.
Which kind of love and punishment with this now?
Girl, I had to see you now, matter.
My adorable Chinese thing.
I didn't try.
Fire bello, drop your shoulder, you no get money. Drop am.
Okay, I remember. But you know, somebody lick my secret. How you doing now?
Good afternoon, ma. Happy to see you. God bless you. Keep the change. The blood pressure is mine. Baby. I love you. I want you to give me love and depression. Sorry. Love and affection.
Affection or affection?
Okay, yes, love and affection. Yes, affection.
It's okay. I will not give you love and depression or affection.
Thank you very much. I respect your scorpion. I respect your scorpion. Okay, I respect your onions.
You want to say opinion?
Yes, opinion. Yes.
Why are you scared of me? Have you not been in a relationship before?
Who be me? Who know me? I never did relationship before. I have never been in any relationship before. Who be me when we have did relationship?
They know they love people like us. We not be Yahoo. Now Yahoo everybody they love now. Everybody will just wake up now they love Yahoo.
It's okay.
Not yet.
Ota.
Wait, all the good they be like triplets too. They be three person that born now.
It's okay.
They can't go wear the same clothes.
Let me say we dey outside, my brother.
So God, now only God know what is for happen.
Don't be scared of me. Don't worry. You are safe with me. I will teach you.
Yes. Otter. Love is wicked though. If love no wicked, you know what I know.
I know.
Okay.
It's not a person.
Opportunity they say come but once.
All that pop.
This your brother. He's just too funny.
Yeah.
Look at where they enter.
Otta.
My brother is very funny.
Otta.
What do you talk? What do you tell you?
It's not be love, eh?
He said, I want you to give me your love and depression. Oh!
And he gave, which other thing he talk again? Okay. Lana got to that. Okay.
As now they like, no sabi greet like that. Now, oh wait, now Mama Ejima goat. Now Mama Ejima goat with that. Otta.
He said,
No be Mama Ejima pikin you be.
I respect your...
Okay, now Mama Ejima now you get those goats. Otta, all the goats they just wear the same cloth to 3. 1,
See how food they pass us like this now. Wow.
Love is blind.
He said, I respect...
If not for love, the food for don't pass out.
My brother look at him.
He said, I respect your onions. No, or scorpion.
Oh! Jesus! Nothing my brother. But at least you still know what my brother mean by that thing.
Oh! Yes, I know.
Oh.
Thank you very much for telling your brother about him. I really appreciate it.
Oh.
Now Mama Ejima.
As for what we discussed, my distant uncle in the city needs a house help and a gate man. You two should come over by Monday. I will be there Sunday evening.
Oh, thank you very much. We'll go.
You say thank you very much. Na city. Na city.
Who should have said na city? We'll go wash our clothes very early. They go. You forget what she told me.
Wait, na city.
Na city. We go na city now. You go as well.
It's okay.
No worry. We'll go come. Very early. We'll go come. We need work.
Okay. Make sure you come.
Okay, together.
See, now Mama Ejima go to that. You see that short pikin just now. Mama Ejima pikin.
But I think they give you when you use your leg on at that time now.
I not try.
How you get chance?
Do that. I try to match her like this. Because they see the cut. I give me say the girl still they love me. If you carry gold for the girl present, you know still be tea. See, transport with that no good. Mama Ejima. Follow me. Follow me.
You feel locate the area where you enter now, even if na left or right, this goat enter now. No, because rope dey back of the goat.
That one na short cut. If you mash the one,
they hold on, they hold on. You not your own machine.
Alternative goat I see you. As to the match one,
if I match then I go come grab am for a mat. You know say you no fit cash goat o. So you know say na only fowl na you sabi cash. Na me sabi cash goat. Na me sabi cash goat.
You no know wetin dey pay me. Alter, how Mama Ejima go get 3 goat for this village? I will not know.
I will want to know.
If follow my lead.
Children don't get distracted.
Follow my lead.
Where is this children? The time is going on. Right? Ayo!
Otta!
Now that you are traveling, so you are looking like you are just seeing this house. So as you are going now, I want you to go with this message. As you are going, do not lose focus on your goal.
Papa, I don't understand now. Otta, now ball won't go play when Papa dey say we not lose focus or go.
Leave the old man, may continue your advice now. Why you dey cut am?
But why they put go? May they move the goal now?
Continue, Papa.
You must know where you are coming from. And finally, you must not leave this compound with that spirit of stealing.
You dey hear am? He said you no go comot for this compound with that thief wey dey inside your body.
When this man they talk, cannot be your face he look.
Which one be say na my?
No be your face he look just now. He look me.
No be you be the thief.
Now you be the row.
Oh.
In addition to that,
It's alright.
live as one. Yes. I pray both of you find favor in the sight of God and man.
Oh no, this one a good one. Amen. Oh.
You don't put man now, you don't say me. Why not say the sight of man and woman? So I mean to go see find favor in the sight of woman. Only you now, man.
Just see rubbish you're doing this.
Go in peace, my children.
Eh?
God's protection over you.
You see, huh? You see what mama they talk
They
now.
at peace now. That is rest in peace.
Now mama
me
wants
and you
no
go die.
Not be me and you go die. Only you go die.
Why would you say that? Why would you think your...
But you don't hear when your wife say, go and rest in peace.
Instead of her to say, safe journey.
Good.
I did not say go and rest in peace. I said go in peace. Okay. Safe journey, my children.
Better. Oh yeah, no problem.
Hi, Ota, my sister. Ota, I know they miss those people when they come, they report us every day. And they are just they miss. Apart from those people, I know they miss anybody at all.
I beg, my hear word. Papa, you don't give us your own advice. We don't read that. I give you my own advice. You see your mates, they get 6-pack. You na 6 spots. Says your belly big. You need to go work on your belly. You understand? For security purpose.
Na kwashoko they affect our papa.
Okay, I get it.
Oh yeah, carry this bag.
No problem.
Ota, na me wan carry this bag.
Huh? Carry the bag. Na me want to carry.
Which kind talk? No be you be man wey go carry bag.
Na man go carry bag.
You sure say na man?
No be you that. No be your no only one person go inside there.
This country, men go dey need problem for women. Make women dey solve. You know see ah. Wait.
Is this what both of you will be going to do?
We are already used to this. Carry your bag.
You are already.
Carry your problem.
You are already.
Papa, all those your small, all those
make sure you change your.
all those women when you don't born to.
Hey! You will not have peace, oh. Hey!
Some children, thieves of our life. Anywhere them day, commotion day. Anywhere them enter, wahala follow.
At this place.
Nothing to
Wait.
just to fight.
It's open like this. We can't do this.
Papa.
Not the place.
Payo, these people arrange their ground though. The ground not be like outside ground.
I want to be like outside. Let me make inside be like different from face. Yes.
Hey. After this kind of hot sun, what we don't date since. If you say this on the hammer me, you be like say God dey roast corn for heaven.
Now shawarma they do.
Jesus. Payo, we don't come for heaven. Payo, see where we came to.
You see this house? Now that house when I tell you say they dream the seed. Now if it's this house, then
if you see this guy house for dream, man wine. This one na heaven on earth now.
You did the dream?
This one's heaven on earth.
You know they my dream, oh. I like this house.
Hey, Payo, see you. They carry all the leaf where they this man farm come here. Come put them for inside one basket. See the leaf they grow.
If they not face your eye now, you not supposed to say this one na Oyibo palm tree. Oyibo palm tree wey just dey spring up, they add age. Now city palm tree be this one now.
Oh,
Chimo!
Ha! Oyibo too get sense. So they can't change the palm tree. It can't dwarf. It can't be short dwarf palm tree.
No, now you tall now. You tall. You and the tree. You tall pass. See, don't fool me for there. Don't let me lose it.
This has to be climb, we dey high. We get the climb, we dey high. We dey climb, we dey high.
Very cool. Okay, Stevie, if you
We don't come like that now. No come like that.
Very cool. Yes.
That's all.
No, we could even inside.
Okay.
We go come. Wait. You don't make me so.
Even when you go city, this mark, what they mark, I not will change.
Now they say, respect yourself, stand at ease. Treat yourself. That's the thing.
Good afternoon, sir. We are happy to see you. God bless you. Thank you, sir.
Uncle Dan, they are the people I told you about.
Yes, now we be
Now
the
wait.
two of us.
Payo or
Otapia. Yes,
Otapia.
Papa.
Your name is Otapia, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The one that kills rats.
Yeah.
The right poison, right?
Partially.
No, sir, she not the kill rat.
So you're here to kill me.
Partially.
No,
Partially.
no, not the kill rat.
Partially.
Sir,
Partially.
no, you go back and wish you don't kill. Okay, this girl not the kill rat.
When they are ready to talk to me, come.
Sorry, sir. Yes, she the kill rat. She the kill rat.
Yeah. Better. That's nice. Later you find something for them to eat. Okay?
Okay, Uncle Dan.
Yeah, good. It's okay. Where are you going to?
Sorry, sir.
Where exactly are you going to?
Sorry, sir. I thought.
Hey, no, the thought. Stop to the thought. I tell you the thought as well. Nonsense.
You know what? Just relax. She's coming to take care of you guys, okay? Just hang around.
Yeah.
Yes, just hang around.
Okay, let us hang around.
Yeah, and do not spoil anything.
I go slap him if you spoil anything here.
We'll go only hang around.
Just hang around.
He said we'll hang around.
Who you? You decide to go inside. Small time, they never just talk anything. You PM. You want to go inside.
I did say the master will follow enter inside, but now more people will be.
You know, this man they handsome. You want me to go do what you don't suppose?
No, it's obey the man. All these rich men, if you know obey, they vex, they quick vex. So, and I don't want to go back to village. He say more hang around.
I see who the
Hang
excuse face
around.
now.
Now be the only thing why here.
Besides the excuse me, then don't be like accident coffee. Don't excuse me.
He say more hang around.
Slow down, steady, slow, steady. Don't behave yourself. I don't why. You know, say Papa root, you drink before we enter this journey. Because since we enter this journey, your life no your guys stay.
No, they shout for me again. Now, no, they shout for me again. No, they respect myself. No, be first. They fight trouble.
You know, say since when you come, your destiny will be like a local bongo now. You don't dey increase. I don't come go find somewhere who will sit down.
You say more hang around.
Not disgrace me. Not disgrace me. Follow my lead. Not disgrace me. Follow my lead. Ota, pia. Follow my lead. I mean, still see you. Follow me.
Payo Bello.
Follow me.
Payo Bello. They lead.
Ota, pia.
Bello. Payo.
Rat poison.
Payo Sasibi.
Rat
Like
poison.
flat fries.
See your shoe.
Otta and Payo and Otta, village champions, troublesome children, umune yetsobu, thieves of our life, anywhere them day, commotion day.
Oga no your ask me say, Otta, you alone go hang for somewhere. You dey tell say me and you call
be hanger.
See, Sophie, may not go find me for here with your weight, oh. Don't say to get weight.
Me and you get weight pass. Akpu. You never climbed Dana before. You never hang for Dana. I just dey obey you. If I come Dana, I be like say our village people dey worry you.
Excuse me.
Sure, can.
What are you doing on my gate?
Oga, you know if you understand.
No go on.
How you want to know?
No, make me up to understand. What are you doing on my gate? Hanging on my gate?
Oga, now you tell us we could hang for here now. So now the hanging now we hang for here.
I ask you to come and hang on my gate.
Oga, we check and now only gate fit carry our capacity. We too heavy. So now we say
You
Moku,
go
this
try
window.
this one.
I want use this window.
I never
But
said
window for
that.
break.
I never said that. I asked you people to hang around anywhere in the compound. That is what I meant.
Okay, you don't get there now. We hang from there. Now only gate. Now only gate. Then we carry our stamina, sir. We check what we go fit carry our stamina. This gate. Nothing else. This we be try this window, sha. If it break, that was more
Break.
respect
Can
ourselves.
you please get down from my gate?
You say more get down.
Go down now.
And then wait for you.
Let's say this. Our village people follow you. Come here. Better service.
Anyway, I've heard so much about you
Hey.
from my sister.
Hey, Oga, now only
Okay.
fowl the thief for village.
Hey, Oga, shut up now. Oga, see, we know the thief fowl. Now people when they around our house, when they back of our house, now they go come thief, they go go they put them for our head.
Say now we thief fowl.
Sorry, sir.
And we no
Sorry.
carry the fowl go
At all.
to the floor.
Okay. I've heard so much about you and I've decided to give you the job.
Hey!
Hey! Otapia, don't do amo.
Oga, sorry.
Otapia.
Now you have the one hug like this.
Wait, did you walk? You don't know say I yellow. Oga black. Oga to me short like this. Oga, sorry, sir.
What was the meaning of that?
Sorry, sir. I be one hug my brother. I don't know say na you I hug.
Okay, wait. Oga, black.
It's okay.
Oga,
It's
talk.
okay.
Me short.
Hey,
You know,
shut up.
Sorry, sir.
Just shut up. She'll come and show you to your room.
Yes,
And I do not want this to happen next time.
Sorry, sir.
Okay?
Sorry, sir.
Do you understand? You don't go about hugging people. You're not mad. You're not stupid. You're not crazy. Do you understand?
Yes.
And this is your character.
Sir, if sun dey shine, she no dey get sense.
No do anything bad again. Na partially we fit do.
You know, you dey see yourself now. You dey see yourself.
Wetin happen?
Why you no see me when you go hug me? You suppose hug me. You just run come. You don't go hug Oga. Okay, that time we just like, oh yeah, you fit dey cut eye for Oga.
You are
Na
who
your
dey cut
plan.
eye for Oga? Which kind of sense talk be that one? Who you are who dey cut eye for Oga? When Oga say I've given you the work, I bad eye for Oga body, I just hold am because na you I be wan go. I say, oh Oga, hear the perfume. Now I say no. I look forward. I see say na Oga say, I talk am. Payo my brother no fit smell like this. Payo get body odor, which I know. Now I don't know say I rush comot immediately call you.
If they no face your eye, you no see me. You dey hug Oga. Personal interest. That's when I say make you pack bag. Make we go this journey. I no tell you make you pack your sense, zip am for inside Ghana must go.
But I carry my sense come to the city.
Person wey sense follow am, go leave who is supposed to hug, begin hug Oga. Okay, I see eye wey dey cut for Oga just now.
And then make you go rest. I want to know say na Oga I hug. As he tell me say the job I be giving to you people. Now I dive.
You
I say
dive,
dive. I no know say na Oga body now I dive.
No wahala, hug. You just to say you dive Oga, na your sack letter, na you wan dive so.
Na your sack letter na
Get
they go
sense.
die. Na your sack letter na they go give you. Now they carry my bag again.
I know you've heard a lot about Festus, but that's not true. Are you going to take words from those cursed people? Have you forgotten how they cause problems in this village? All they want is to cause chaos between one or two persons, one or two families in this. Festus is not like that. For Christ's sake, Festus loves you and he wants you back. Festus is going crazy. He's going crazy. He's losing his mind. If you leave Festus today and he commits suicide, what will you gain? Please.
Please, I'm tired of all this nonsense. People have been talking in this village.
Joyce, forget about what people are saying. Okay, now look, since Otabiapia and Payo left this village, has this village not been peaceful? It has been peaceful. That's to tell you that their aim is to destroy everybody in this village or every home in this village. Please calm down. I can assure you that Festus is ready to make amends. It's not what Otabiapia said he is. Please, just accept him back. Please. Joyce, calm down. I know it's not easy. Okay, now look, since they left this village, Otabiapia and Payo, have you seen any problem? No. That's to tell you that all these things were cooked up. They are lying. Just accept him.
I will give it a second thought.
Oh, that's good. I really appreciate it. I really can't wait to see the both of you together again. Please.
Avad.
Thank you very much.
Alright.
Please smile now.
Otta and Payo and Otta, village champions, troublesome children, umune sobu, thieves of alike, anywhere them day.
Where is Otta?
Sunday, anywhere them enter.
Otta paying.
Wahala follow. If morning reach, nothing to do, just to fight and cause wahala. Na him be their work. Otta and Payo, and Sobu, thieves of alike. Otta and Payo and Otta, village criminals, warriors of the land.
We're going to very soon. Once I forget. You have to cook and make sure it goes round for everybody.
Okay, I don't understand. You say make the food go round.
Yes.
Like round, and city food, like I say, city food have leg. You have to explain to me, sir, how the city food take get leg. If they get leg to waka go outside, make it for go round. As it move round, you go reach everybody. Or I don't understand that. Explain for that.
Make sure everyone partake in that food.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
My girlfriend, she's coming around. Make sure you put some mouse in that food.
So I should put my mouth inside. No, I no be problem. Not at all.
Is that too difficult for you to
It's
understand?
not difficult, or that ain't difficult.
Be fast with that shit.
I'm out. I go put my mother, no problem. Give me that English.
Be fast.
I'm your job, Oga. Maybe now you give me shoe.
You soon be clean my house.
No, that's your shoe. Sorry. Sorry, where I go drop am?
Drop it there.
Where, sir?
No, keep it on my head.
Okay.
Are you mad?
Oga, why you hit me now? Why you hit me? No, you tell me just now. I said, where will I drop this shoe? Oga, where I drop your shoe? You said drop it on my head. I drop it for your head now. Why you gonna beat me?
Let me ask you something. Which part of the zoo were you coming from?
What zoo?
What zoo?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, this guy's so crazy. You know what? Prepare, because you'll be going back to that zoo, and I'll ask them to transfer you from that zoo to a wide inside the bush zoo, because that is where you belong. You don't belong here at all. You're just a zoo. In fact, go and clean this shoe the second time.
I don't know which kind of person. Oga, they wear this kind of shoe. See Timberland, wey person they wear. Even you go for our village, nobody wear this kind of shoe.
Otta and Payo and Otta, village champions, troublesome children, umune and sobu, thieves of alike, anywhere them day, commotion day, anywhere them enter, wahala follow.
Bayo, no be small matter o.
This one wey your face be like this so.
No be small. You see me see success o. No be small thing.
Bless you don't.
I no do anything o.
This one wey your face squeeze like accident coffee. And oga own too, cause it squeeze like accident coffee. Vex comot. Otta, wetin happen?
Wetin happen?
Wait. I wonder whether you dey smell man.
I dey smell my oga no reach man wey I fit follow. Man no dey do me.
Wetin happen now?
Oga no still no respect him old age. He use anger from inside house take comot go outside. Na so he go take use anger follow people for outside now. I no know say that man dey vex like that. I don't understand that man.
Wetin happen now?
No be small thing. See me see success. I dey my own. Oga call me. He say Otta. I say oga no dey. The way this man dey call me, I no dey understand. I say sir. He say go and clean my shoe. I say yes sir. As I bring the shoe come back, I say sir, this is your shoe. Where should I drop it?
That one a good question.
Beautiful. Now he say where I go drop am. Now he say drop it. I say for where? He say drop it on my head. Now I say no problem. I say that craze don start. Now I say carry the shoe. I don put am for guy. I say I don take put am for guy. Now so I wear na everywhere scatter. Oga say what? He water. And I say stop me. No be small something. I say I take room.
Wait. Otta. Rephrase as in talk am again.
Oga say make I put shoe for your head. Now carry the shoe put am for oga head. Now oga carry slippers stone me.
You know say that day when me and you wan travel, our mama come look us. You say na prayer dey pray o. You say we should go and rest in peace. Abi your papa now come wan pray. You no use him mind pray o. I come dey see say village people come from our papa prayer. The one dey enter your head now. You know they knock agogo for you now. Make you dey come village. So oga say make you put shoe for your head. Now you actually knock oga shoe for head like gbagba.
You dey craze. Why you come dey hit me now?
I no know say I hit you. Now wetin come happen now?
No be small thing, no be there Apple. That one na one of wetin dey vex me.
Okay.
The second one now be say oga say I belong to the zoo. Ma dey go zoo, ma go stay.
No lie.
Now I tell oga say I don't know any other zoo except Ogba zoo no. After all, zoo no be bad thing.
Wait, zoo no be bad thing? Okay, yes. Zoo no be bad thing. Na zoo na you really belong to. You don't know Ogba zoo?
I don't know Ogba zoo. I never go zoo before now.
You don't go zoo? That day for your birthday, when I carry you sit down say Otta, as you dey do this birthday now, it is good for you to come and meet your fellow animals like lion, ape. No say you resemble ape like this. Your birthday, when me and you go zoo, when we go pay ticket, when me use one enter inside.
Liar! When we reach that zoo that day, no be you, they come tell us about pay 300 naira. You come to say you no get more from their face, more they look. As you come from their face, we not see now only that one way like long, that will see.
You not see, I not be that one resemble you.
Now you not that one
you go zoo.
You pay
I tell you
anything,
to zoo. 300 naira. What is the bother you?
I go press your neck, I go press your neck.
Wait, you don't good baby, are you the fight now? As the house now, so God don't come on. The house now Otta and Payu, now you get the house now. How fast? Lembe.
I never cook. Oga make me vex. So you and Oga go starve today.
Me too make you vex.
You know concern me, you sef you no get sense before as my brother. Go meet that guy where you dey toast, where every time she carry bread dey pass. Buy bread, buy mineral. Go use and eat. After all, your destiny na to dey eat.
You won't get sense, carry shoe. Where should I put my shoe? I said put it on my head. Go put them for Oga head. Your destiny.
Na hunger go kill you. Na herself. Oga go suffer me, you too go suffer me. You will go back to zoo. Now you go zoo.
If you dey find tea, if you dey find cheat, if you dey find fight, na dem dey fight you. Nothing good dey come out of them. Muneyem sobu. Problem God still
Who is there?
Who they knock like who don't get power?
Come on, put the plate to me. Why are you looking at me like that?
Who you be?
I should be asking you that, not the other way around.
Hey!
Who are you?
Common sense wey no even common. Common sense wey no even common. Suppose tell you say if you reach person house, you go explain yourself. No be the other way round. You sing music.
Madam Titus. Sorry.
No, Oga Titus.
Oga Titus. Madam Titus. Sorry, Oga wife to be. You're welcome in the name of Jesus.
In the wife
yes,
of God.
yes, you can come inside. Come inside.
Anyways, I don't have your time. Is Danny around?
Who be Daniel?
My man.
Who be the man?
I know. They asked me.
Hey. I'm talking about my boo.
Oh! Even your boo get it boo.
You know boo no anything. Whereas there's no problem. Madam, just hold on. Princess of the
dynasty.
Of the dynasty. Hold on, and they come. Oga say mo get mo just keep you elevated to you.
Okay. See, e get one big rat oh. The rat can't go dey follow our Oga cat. The rat wey dey follow our Oga cat fight. And now we can't set this atopia for inside there. And this atopia now can't kill the rat. You don't can't remember to remove the rat. Come on for that place. As you don't can't remember, just sit down first. I beg, what do you care for? You need any drink, anything?
We get fresh juice.
Nice.
Hold on.
Why you rap? Look at up. Oh, Malu, Oswald. Look at up there. Oswald. Come,
what is this? Are you mad?
You are mad.
Ha!
Tired. The Chris. Now, no need to keep us here since.
Hey.
Tired. If I leave her, it go into your head. Idiot, they say my liver.
You dey find people wey wan use.
Stop waiting. Stop fire.
Hold on.
Hey! This dude dey really mad.
Oga don come.
Press him mouth.
Oga don come. There's no pressing now.
You know the way press him mouth to cut am before Oga go enter.
Sack you Oga don come. But hold on. You dey craze? Run where Oga sack us. You dey craze? Wait.
I dey close the gate.
Nah,
Who dey carry me dey go where I no know? Who dey carry me dey go where I no know? Who dey push me dey go where I no know?
Where you go?
Who dey carry me dey go where I no know? Oh man! Who dey push me? Who dey push me dey go where I no know?
Oga dey push. Mumu, Oswald.
Oga, good afternoon.
My hand.
Leave her alone. Come on, leave her alone.
Oga, say you leave am alone, no dey hear
What's going on here?
You slap the finish.
Come here. Give me that knife. That knife. Oga say make you give am knife. Give me that knife.
Yes.
Sorry.
Sorry, I blame these people to kill me.
Let me understand what is going on here. Can somebody explain what is going on here?
Oga, you
With a rope and a knife.
Explain
to Oga. Explain.
Oga kill me before my time.
Explain.
Oga, you say tell us what do kill am.
Wait. Excuse me. Let me understand something here. My dear. Sorry, okay? Sorry. Just calm down, okay?
No.
Wait, let me understand something here. As I said, you should kill my visitor.
Oga, now you give us instruction what we follow.
Na so she talk.
What kind of instruction did I give to you?
The instruction you give me be say you say make I cook food when you come out. You say cook food for me and my girlfriend and make sure you put the mouth of my girlfriend inside the food.
Na so she tell
So as your girlfriend come, now instruct Payo Benlo, my brother. I say Payo, follow me, let us acknowledge this instruction from Oga.
Can two work together?
If they not agree. So as I come now, we'll tell Payo, cash her, we'll press her, we'll tie her neck, we'll tie her leg, sorry. Now I carry knife, and our mat I don nearly one cut before you come they push me, they go where I don't know.
I asked you to cook food.
Yes, sir.
And make sure that my girl will partake in that food.
Yes, sir. You said,
and how did I ask you to cut her mouth and put in the food?
You said put her mouth. I think you talk, put her mouth. You said put her mouth.
Oh, you don't understand when somebody said put her mouth in the food and you want to kill her with a knife? Shut up! Oh my God. Come here.
Oga dey call you. Oga dey call. Now you Oga dey call now.
Two of you should come and kneel down here.
Why you Oga dey call you? Now you Oga dey call you.
Troublemaker, if you define tea, if you define cheat, if you define fight, and them they fight you. Nothing good they come out of them.
I was saying it. You can imagine since when they left this village, at least we can now eat our own animal in peace. See, I want to thank you very much. You know, Nedunaka. See that thing you told me that day. You know, as hard as it can be, I tried my best and it worked out.
I told you now. I say, I tell you all these people. You keep pushing. And
I can't believe that I have my baby to myself. You can imagine that thing. Wow. A whole fresh baby like me.
If not be so be friends, I will help you collect at that time when you misbehave.
No, what's the meaning of that one?
It's okay, my dear. It's okay. Please, let's be going.
Let me. How these people see?
I don't want to carry on now. I beg now, so you do. I don't want to carry on.
So they play that kind of play for where I do. Anyway, let's.
Good afternoon, ma.
Take this list. Go to the market and get me some items. Yes.
Oh, madam. You for send Otapia now. Now her duty be that one. Or God no add this one join my duty. Yeah?
Are you mad? Are you mad? How dare you?
Madam, until you tell me say Oga don add this department join my own duty, I go know say my duty now na to go both kitchen and everything. Now Otapia na dey in charge of kitchen and na me dey in charge of gate. I dey talk to you now. What if Oga go dey come, you no see who will open gate when he go drive enter inside? Abi na you wan open gate if I go market? Send Otapia. If you no fit send am, better still go by yourself. Madam, I better not worry my life. I dey try arrange my things.
Did this idiot just walk out on me? We shall see. You will die of hunger in this house.
Ota and Payo, Payo anota.
This ground is fuming. You wanted to fall me. It's fuming.
Are you okay?
Wait till happen. Oh. Madam, welcome.
What took you so long to open the gate for me?
Madam!
You stupid e-goat! Good for nothing gate man.
But madam, now you dey follow that man. Now you follow that man dey talk now. He? What I can't do again now you call dey use insult to dey baff me this morning?
How dare you? How dare you talk to me in such rude manner? You insignificant bat. See, I don't have your time. When I have your time, I'll let you.
Me insignificant, insufficient. Wait, hey! Hey, hold me, payo. Now small pikin wey no reach Otapia, my younger sister wey no reach her age. Now they use insult. They wear me gown this afternoon. Hey! 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 If not for condition wey make crayfish burn, who be this one? This one, see ma tell you, na because of say you never get spiritual eye. If you get spiritual eye, you know say my destiny pass this level where we dey now. You wey go beg me, you go beg Uncle Dan, make he beg me, make he for marriage you. And Uncle Dan go look you, go say, young lady, I am not interested. Then you come back, come beg me Payo Bello, make him marriage you. I go say no, give me 20 years to think about it. Say ma tell you the truth, if I marry you and not suffer you, call me bomb bastard. Now me tell you, I don't talk. Me?
That come and tell her what this idiot. This a never do where you DKK. You this a mean at this thing. If I not kill you for this house, men rain on for 200 years.
This useless ass girl. So you're here, you are sleeping. I don't understand. You are sleeping this hot afternoon.
Madam.
Ask girl.
Wait. Now you hit my leg. Madam, fear no dey catch you. I no get that for a village. Madam, so you know say na for spirit world. Where I dey fight my enemies. Now they hear what they call me. Utter retreat. Now I run come back. I think say a better person. Maybe Mpayo, my brother. I'm not saying you. But I don't offend you before why I know you. I offend you.
Otta, before I left for the market this morning, I asked you to prepare the spaghetti I left in the kitchen. Why didn't you cook it?
That one. Okay, that one.
Wait, what did you just call it? My spag! Earthworm!
Earthworm, no verse. I don't feel disobey my Ogate obey you.
Otta, are you insane? Are you talking to me in that manner? See, before I open and close my eyes, to the kitchen.
Gods of our land, no problem now. As a mother, how will you be? I think before you open your eye, make I go the kitchen. As what? But I go as of me, then they call me on top of not before mouth. Go my village if you want. I give you transport fare. You go my village. Go ask my papa and my mama about me. I dey beat people. Ask Pio Benlo, my brother. I dey beat Pio pieces, madam. No let me change that for you. I dey tell you. I dey look because of your guy wife. I will not change that for you. No let me change that for you, madam. I dey look at you because of the respect I get from my oga. My oga told you short, and I talk past you. If I change that for you, no go survive am. If I lose God now, even my brother Pio Benlo no fit hold me. You know. My own dey my body. Even my papa, even smart go beat my papa.
Obaze, my good friend.
How are you?
I'm fine. It has always been good. But now I have peace of mind. Because our livestock and I save where they are.
But we've always been having the, peace of mind all the while. So why now that you are saying you have peace of mind?
Additional peace of mind.
Yes, of course. That's nice.
But we will have peace of mind with Payo and Otapiapia. Since they left this village, our livestock have been living well. And safe and sound.
But don't you think that this is an embarrassment?
If you hate embarrassment, then give birth to good children. And stop babysitting at this your age. This your old age. What is it? Are you not ashamed of yourself? You burn rogues and criminals everywhere. Are you only one in this village? Don't be a babysitter. Nonsense. I've not seen this kind of thing before. What kind of a man are you? Are you still there? You are thinking about your life. Don't die, you. Go and give birth to good children so that you can live long. Because I can see you are getting old. Those children will kill you. I've told you.
Mama don't tire. Papa don't tire. Now which kind children be these? Now which kind problem be these? Cause nothing good they come out of them.
How a homie like this? Otapiapia one. A homie no fit dey collect insults like bank debit alert from that useless girl called princess. You sure that girl no be princess? That girl name na prince nyash. He no get any level.
You know what I don't like about you? You go dey talk, you too talk. Like who forget sense for inside mama placenta.
The one where they do me, now how she take they use insult till they give me breakfast. You go use insult, they bath me, they talk to me like one small pikin. At a time, I go raise in and say, what I go do? Who be me? Who is me? Who I be? But the only thing when just dey my mind now, immediately Oga just enter this compound today. Otta, I will just use myself, by myself, carry myself, go meet Oga. Tell am say I wan sack myself by myself.
Hey, no, Payo. That one no good at all. I no go support that one. That one no good. You forget what Mama tell us where would they come up from village? He said make we come back in glory and not call to glory.
Hi.
You forget say man wey naked no fit put one for pocket. You don't forget that one. We gats hustle so we go bear this insult make we for better for our life. Make for come back as big boys and big girls. Make collect the insult though. I wan use my life to achieve better thing.
Otta.
No go use cause of no insult. No.
Otta, my sister. Otta say I wan beg you one favor.
Which favor?
I beg you do this favor for me. You go fit.
Yes.
Good. You see this side of bed where you for sleep, where you can't get better brain. You will not get sense, where you get coconut head. Can't fit think about this thing for the first time of your life. They sleep like that. So that you gonna make sense.
I make sense.
You make sense. One time since I know you. One time, both are for the woman.
That means I go to sleep the way I sleep now. Yesterday night, as I take sleep, I sleep raise nyash for up.
Breeze
so yeah, breeze get. I come like saying, through my nyash, God they give me inspiration.
It makes sense.
God they give me inspiration through my nyash. So I go to raise nyash every night till they sleep.
I no go think of sack again.
But that one no mean say we no go teach that girl lesson. We go teach the girl lesson. Even if we no want lose our job, we must still teach her lesson.
As long as say this lesson we want teach this girl, no go carry me and you no go fit use and do us way be back to our village. I am.
Don't worry, they don't go use and do us way be. Just follow my lead.
No wahala.
If you know,
then you know.
Thieves of a lie. Otta and Payo and Otta. Village criminals, warriors of the land. Omone and Sobu.
Bello.
What?
Jesus.
What did happen now?
Let me decrease. Who's getting this one? You don't know your sister, but so they worry you. Why you say cause you want to send me to any grave?
I just said they don't kill you now. All they plan to kill you now. Man, fair kill the person before they kill you now. Nonsense.
When they carry knife, they call a man who walk. Call that man, tell you something.
That's not the head to get the fault.
Yeah. See you. Since when you don't call this city. See the two things, your greatest achievement, 2 shoes.
You not the only one you get. You get another one apart from your Christmas one.
This one,
I take my CS star. I dey CS star for inside.
I want to say, I don't find solution to all the problems for this house.
Which kind of solution?
Call my name.
Hey! You tell me I'm not deaf.
Man, you know they clean your ear. How person want to tell
I'm not deaf now. You no go talk if you talk.
Don't you tell your ear. Don't you tell your ear.
Oh yeah, talk. I dey hear you.
But we've always been having the, peace of mind all the while. So why now that you are saying you have peace of mind?
Additional peace of mind.
Yes, of course. That's nice.
But we will have peace of mind with Payo and Otapiapia. Since they left this village, our livestock have been living well and safe. safe and sound.
But don't you think that this is an embarrassment?
If you hate embarrassment, then give birth to good children.
What is going on? I have been watching you from afar. You are full with your own thoughts. What is happening?
It's Oko. It's Oko. You needed to see the humiliation I got from Oko. Oh. God, please bless my children so that I will become a man again.
You are always a man, my husband. Try and pull yourself together. Whatever that took your attention must be serious. Please, be at peace with yourself. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Everything will be fine.
How do you?
Okay, as I talk to you now, goats won't feed dog faster than our mates.
I don't understand. What do you mean by goats won't feed dog? What's the meaning of that?
Okay, now that would they call like me this Emina this thing. If we not quick move now, I must see say anti-princess with one man they do for outside our gate. Come on, guys, make dog no go chop good food later. Oh,
Sure about what you're talking about.
okay, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Goodbye, my love. Don't worry, I will see you later, alright?
See, it's not what you think. It's not what you think. Serious, I can explain. See, it's not what you think. Please. See, it's not what you think, oh, it's not what you think. Please now.
What's the meaning of this rubbish?
See, I'm surprised as you are.
You're surprised?
Yes.
Do you have to bring this rubbish to my house?
No. See, I don't know him.
Just shut up. If I slap a head out of you.
Okay. Sorry.
You the craze? Women.
No.
You're all the same.
No. Babe, see, I can explain.
You call me babe again. Satan will punish you.
Sorry now, please. I can explain. No, I can explain. I don't even know him.
Your grandpapa left Nyash.
Wait. Later. For now. For the now, Oga dey vex o. Oga dey vex. No dey bring all those things. All those small.
Otta and Payo and Otta. Village champions, troublesome children. Umune so boo. Thieves of alike. Anywhere them day.
Uncle! Uncle! Why did you embarrass my husband? Why are you turning around? And you are the one that I'm talking to.
I am looking for the husband.
Wait, is it my husband that you are looking for like this?
Do you have a husband?
See, let me tell you something. Miss Alko, I have a husband. And I love my husband so much.
That babysitter.
You call my husband a babysitter? You're the one that is a babysitter. Do you know what I'll do to you? I'll look for a needle, put it inside this your tummy, and it will lay down.
Because your husband don't have it.
My husband don't need this kind of tummy. Let me tell you something. Let this be the last time you will ever embarrass my husband outside again. Else, when I come back here, you will not believe what I'll do to you.
How can you do to me? Go and do to those your cursed children. Or Tapia, whatever it's called. That is stealing everywhere. Go and in fact, go and tell them what to do. Uncle, go and train them.
Uncle, you're the one that is cursed. Your generation are cursed. Useless man. You don't have shame.
Madam, I took my bath this morning. No. I don't know. What is this?
Did you actually take your bath this morning? I don't think so. Because you're stinking. You're stinking. Let this be the last time I will come back here to warn you. Else, you will regret it. Try and embarrass my husband again. Nonsense.
You are not ashamed of yourself. Tell your husband to stop babysitting. Tell your husband to stop babysitting, no? Nonsense. Cost people. Don't worry. Let me catch that Otapiapia and that Payo. I don't know where you got them from. But don't worry. We shall see. And war here. Nonsense.
Yeah, hello young man, what are you doing here?
And what's that supposed to mean?
What so? You again?
My lovely princess asked me to be here.
Hey!
That her boyfriend is actually going out.
You can't say our madam.
Yes.
And who is that?
That goat will be nearly one swallow chicken the other day when come find madam.
Really? You again? You again, huh? You've come again, right?
Okay, they find the guga. Okay, don't mind Namu. He said, "I give this one to auntie."
What?
I want you to know that I love you, princess. The time you spent with me yesterday was not enough. I want you to come to Hotel The Breeze, room 146 by 2 p.m., our usual time, after the he-goat leaves the house. I love you forever.
Okay, anybody burn your beans?
So I'm now a he-goat. So I am now a he-goat. Princess! 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 Come here. What's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this?
I don't understand. What is this?
You're asking me, right?
I don't understand now. What's this?
This is how you want to treat me. You can read?
I want you to...
Babe, see, I don't understand. I don't understand. Yes,
So,
I can see my name.
After all I've done for you, this is how you want to pay me back, right?
Hold on now, I don't understand. What's this? Please. will shut up.
This is how you want to pay me back.
See, you hold on.
You have the gall to bring a man into this compound, even follow the man to a hotel room.
Man, me.
And have fun.
No.
And refer me also as a he-goat. Me.
When? Who brought it? I don't understand what is going on here now.
Wait now, wait. What is all this now? I don't understand.
Open gate for Oga. Oga, they come. Oga, they come. Oga, bend your nyash, swear. Bend your nyash, swear.
No,
bend your nyash, Oga. Bend your nyash, man. Oga, bend your nyash, swear. Oga, see this head. Oga, bring your nyash comfort. Carry your nyash comfort. Oga, take your nyash back. Reverse with your nyash.
You go back your leg, go.
Oga, farewell. They go. You put some suck your nyash anyhow when you like her.
If you hear boom, stop. Just if you hear boom, let's go.
Hey!
Give up. No, do it. Look at me.
Dan, you leave this house every day, deceiving me that you're going for a meeting. Hey, not knowing that you always move from one girl to another. Dan, you're just so cheap. You are a cheat, a liar, and a Casanova.
Hey, stop it now. Stop it right now. You've been talking and insulting me. What has come over you? Are you crazy or something? What are you talking about?
Dan, you want to know what I'm talking about, right?
Yes.
Okay. What's this? Dan, this is my problem. This was found in your trouser. Now start explaining. Can you just explain this?
It's not just possible you got this from my trouser.
Dan, you can lie, Sha. Wait. This was found in your trouser and you're telling me it's not possible. Dan, you are a cheat, a liar. God. See, you want to know the full story? Go out of here. That village bushrat.
Otapia. Artie! Come here.
Which one be there? I thought I would enter my pants every day. You say my pants will enter inside my nyash. If you want to romance my nyash, you go talk. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Where did you find this thing?
Find waiting. Okay, this toothpaste. That's actually toothpaste now. My cleaner. I find them for inside your pockets, your clothes. If not for the other, you know, concern me, this one. Now inside your pockets, now a day, now inside your clothes, now and the other one, madam, I go find your fiancée. Now she go to find things for your pocket. Now she know where she will see them. When I put touch the thing, make me a tour for hand. I can say, I no feel. I don't open now. Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
Get out!
Start explaining. Start explaining. You can't talk, Abby. You can't talk.
I don't think anything about this.
Then you can lie. See, this one was found in your trouser, and you're telling me you don't know. This boy. See, you are a big pretender. You are a liar. You are a cheat. Hey!
Babe, what is it? I don't like what you're doing. How can I have something in my possession and I wouldn't know about it? Something like that. Come on. Stop this. I don't like it, okay? Babe. Babe, do you like what you're just doing?
Now which kind problem be this? Cause nothing good they come out of them. Oh, Monday am so boo. People say, dog not the chop dog. Even the dog, he talk am say. Now who first die? Now him be the mate, yo. Nothing good they come out of them. Oh, Monday am so boo.
Let's. And this one fits more now. Ah. Okay. Okay. Permission. Yes, ma'am.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished panel of judges, I present to you the Kokoma Dance Group. Woo! I will go like this. As they paint them, they sweet us. As they sweet us, they paint them. As they paint them, they sweet us. As they sweet us, they paint them. Hey, I introduced us Kokoma Dance Group. For that village.
Auntie Olu. No, madam. No. Oh, I will beat you. You don't know this house. Now, if I'm done, they talk to outside and they hear from inside of you. Yeah. No, madam.
Ayo, what is it?
Auntie, you don't vessel. You get one of your colleagues. Oh, sorry. You get one low budget Olosho. The day outside, he say, he come, make Oga come. I don't know what it mean though.
I don't understand.
Okay, you get those na club member. Now, you say, you strip or club. Say, you with Oga, they always do. You man don't make kiriwa go. He say, he come here and make Oga come. Make I really make her come, make Oga come.
Make Oga come, I don't understand that now. Which my dad.
Now me talk, I mean, now she talk, and you hear from the horse's mouth now.
Open the gate.
Let me come make Oga come. Sorry. Hello, my to Pion. Oh, Pion. Hold on. Wait, don't move it. Hold on. You understand? One of your legs is for Asaba, one is for Okmana, Asaba. Her Royal Majesty, this is the low budget Ogbo. Oh, you just said you did things.
I said get out.
I was trying to do my work, but I don't got.
Who are you, please?
I am Jennifer.
And how may we help you?
Did I hear you say we? I am here to see my man. I waited all through the night, but he didn't show up. I can't find his car, parked outside. Oh, maybe he's at my place, waiting for me. Wait, are you the house help?
Eh?
Well, in case he comes back, tell him his sugar baby Jennifer was here, okay? Have a nice day, house help.
Where are you? Hold on there. How dare you talk to my madam in such rudely manner? You walk at them, my sister walk a big madam. What they call my madam a house girl. No, you talk about the house girl for this house.
Be like say your nose don't dey comot. I be no house of Jennifer. If I knock you this my heels here,
I cannot do it. Ma tell you, I don't lock gate, I don't swallow key. I don't lock gate, I don't nobody, not even Oga. We go fit make me open this gate for you. Go back to apologize to madam.
I will knock you this my heels. You no get sense.
Oh really, I know na work.
Now because of this 20 when they pay you, you no get sense. I do not prepare can come on my week for you. You no get sense. It's yours. Stupid man.
I know you na the free best. I know they pay the 200. Go where they expensive, not the just 2 months. Then the people come. The whole lot now this thing. I don't forget to go.
Mr. Casanova, how did your day go with Jennifer? Shameless beast.
I don't understand. What's the meaning of this? And when did you start talking to me in that manner? Are you insane?
So if you don't know, your girlfriend Jennifer, she was here today. I believe you enjoyed yourself with her now. Huh?
But yo, come here.
Mom, come on, guess what?
Did anybody come here looking for me?
Yes, sir.
One beautiful looking sexy girl.
Will you shut up, my friend?
Will you get her from here, you swine? If you see a fine girl, which you recognize one? Like bat.
If this rubbish continues, I'm afraid.
Afraid of what? Say it now, afraid of what? Eh? You will beat me or what?
Excuse me.
Hey! So, this is all you have to say, Abi? Hang down!
So, this is what you want to sit down. This is what you sit down. For you, did anybody come to look for me?
She know who get mad to cry. She just did never. Laugh off finish.
Well, I'm not going.
The girl is something. He say you be swine.
Okay.
Even though be smart, this girl no get level. Say she don't dey talk. If to say na me be her, wetin I for don do her, I for just slap a girl like this.
Wait, you slap me?
No be slap.
Okay, see, you know say na me be your elder brother. For our village, I will call our village union. I will call our village people for you. Now goats, now you go pay for this thing. Now you slap me, you know they fear. Now goats, now you go pay for this thing.
Goats, now you go pay for this thing. You know even talk of fowl, you dey call goats. Your eye too big.
Wait. Well, not be waiting resemble you go pay. How you want to go pay chicken when not resemble you? Now goats, now you resemble those also are goats when they yellow they come small. Now don't you go pay? You will see.
I'll give you 4 pieces of goat from fridge. Oga dey stock goats now.
Oh, now be that one we dey talk about. So we dey talk about. You see what you do? I dey talk about GOT goats. You will see.
No be all they worry me. They found where it's got to go thief goats. Now these people, that be my problem now. This girl just dey tell, leave me alone, you wish, you swine. Well, no, last, now these 2 people fit go for inside house. As I dey see oga and this madam, they form so they fight. Now lie, you not conji, they worry them. Me and they want follow oga go. I say, these 2 people, I don't trust them. As they beg now from there, they go. I don't trust them.
Otta and Payo and Otta, village champions, troublesome children.
Tell on now.
If you tell her, they go beat you.
I don't understand.
Woman, why you can't follow me call you?
And they follow your lead.
Madam, we dey sorry. Adonai, once I dey talk, you dey do Adonai. Madam, we are sorry.
Adonai.
Madam, as we dey here now, I know say me and my brother no dey respect you since, but forgive us.
Adonai.
Forgive us because we don't dey vex for ourselves. We no go disobey you again.
Adonai.
Payo Benlo take over.
Okay, madam. Please. We are sorry, Lord.
Adonai.
We are sorry, man.
Adonai.
We are sorry, man.
I'm not telling you sing. I say make you apologize, no sing.
Sorry, I be don't enter spirits. Madam. She is very, very sorry. 2 of us are very, very, very sorry for all the problem when we don't cause for this beautiful mansion. So we say make you forgive us before you jack down to the bungalow. Forgive us.
Hey, wait, I don't understand.
Jack down to bungalow.
Which jack down?
Jack down before she go inside bungalow. Please jack it down.
Wait. Is this... Wait, I don't understand. The both of you begging me for forgiveness.
Yes, of course.
Payo?
Ma?
Otta? Hey! It's like, this is a dream. Okay. What do you both intend I do?
Madam, what do want you first do now? Now to forgive us first. This need that one, need that. Now only God there's supposed to need that for. But we also more respect you because our sin don't too much for where you did. Let me say more.
No be person, God.
Okay.
Madam God.
Madam,
So deputy God.
No, Madam God, they okay. Madam, forgive us. If you forgive us, then we'll come tell you what to make us. The second one will make us the beg you.
Hey! This is serious. Okay, see. I'll forgive you. Beautiful. By the way, why you kneeling down? Did I give anybody punishment?
No problem, madam. Thank you very much for forgiving us.
Hey!
Make her hug, madam.
Madam, breast soft.
You don't hug madam again. You fair hug oga, you don't hug madam.
Madam, the second missionary journey will make us come here now. We say, we want save you for all the calamity we did this house. We get solution to all your problem for this house, madam. And the new one will just get the new information.
Not true, not true.
Are you guys serious or you're just joking?
Madam, we know the joke. If you know me and my brother, if not be small thing, if not be one thing, therefore don't give us better position for security thing. Madam, you get one friend who I get, go feel the follow Oga anywhere where Oga they go. That side chick, that retired a shower where Oga they carry. That girl a low budget. That girl a low budget a shower. Oh, this my friend go feel locate here and the girl. Oga and the girl anywhere where they go, she go locate there too. Then she'll come call you for phone, tell you you can't contact more.
Bam.
Yes.
This is interesting. I think I'm interested.
Madam, you interested? Don't look us like that. Me and my brother, if not be smart, we for just be higher assassin.
Yeah.
Now secret will be secret vigilante.
Vigilation.
Vigilante.
Vigilation.
Secret vigilante.
Vigilation.
What did they talk?
Vigilante.
Warriors of the land. Thieves of
Ota, how did it go the other day?
That's why they call me Otapia now. Fire full everywhere. But problem dey, bless that madam. She's strong pass also. I dey tell you. Won't be small thing.
So what do you want? And what do you want make we do? What do you want?
Now that thing I want year since. So you bring your ear, man, tell you.
No send and them take on. If you try to ask, wahala don't set. Aha.
Yes.
Princess, why are you doing this to me? I've been begging you for a long time now. See, we need to see, have a date, talk, and get to know each other better.
See, you haven't told me how you got my contact. Wait, you think you can just come out from nowhere and start giving me distress call?
Just name your price. I'll pay 2 million naira into your account. Just for us to have a night together. 2 million naira. I also want to tell you how much I love you. Okay? See, you can't just tie your destiny, tie yourself up to one man. No, it doesn't make sense. See, let me tell you one thing. You need to understand.
Mr. Man, you are very mad. How dare you? If you ever call my number again, I will block you. Let me tell you something. If you think you really have this money like you claim, go and meet your mother in village. Go and spend on her because I know she's suffering. See, don't you ever dial my number again. Okay? Rubbish.
She just hung up. What is wrong with this girl?
Hey, what sort of rubbish is all this?
She's living Galakima. Don't worry, I know what to do. I'll just send her this 2 million naira right now. She's gonna. She must listen to me. Not be woman. She must listen to me. Stop opening now.
$2 million. Wait. How did this guy even got my account details? I think this guy is really rich. A lot of girls need this type of boyfriend. Okay.
I love this program so much.
I'm interested.
I nearly missed it. You have to pick your call.
It's not important, babe.
You never can tell what the person wants to tell you.
I said it's not important.
If it's not important, then why do you go ahead and give out your number?
Okay, fine. I want to tell you at night, Shao. Is one money misroad guy like that? See, this guy has been disturbing my life. See, there is no language I've known to use for this guy. I told him I have a boyfriend. He's just so stubborn. I sent you money, right?
Yeah, 2 million naira, which you told me that you were going to talk about it at night.
How this guy got my phone number? I don't know. How the same guy got my account details? I don't know. It's still the same guy calling me. Since I told you that, I will tell you at night. You won't let go. You need to let me rest. My dear, it's okay.
Is it that you are getting angry or what? Okay, I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry.
Do business together, princess. Just like I told you.
Can I really trust you?
Of course you can. I'm not. Okay, you now trust me. I know you trust me. You trust me. Yes, you don't you trust me?
Babe, see, please, it's not what you think. Hey,
What
see
are you
now
talking
you have
about?
killed me now. It's not what you think.
Hey,
Please.
shut up.
Hey.
Just shut up. You again?
It's not what you think. It's not what you think. Seriously.
You think your money can buy a love over me? Never, it can't work.
What are you saying?
Are you not part of me?
What love? Babe, see, please.
Hey, listen. Just get home.
Hey.
Your things will be outside there waiting for you already.
No, please. What you have done now.
Pack your things and leave. It's over between us.
Hey,
Let him go. Let him go. He's not going to do anything.
What you have done.
What did I cause?
Please.
But we are talking business. We are talking business. We were not talking business. Come on. We are talking business, right? Did I do anything bad? Take it easy. Come on.
Why do you want to frustrate me?
What are you doing? What is it? Let go of me. Let go of me. I said let go of me. Come on.
I don't ever want to see you here again. Okay, go. Go, get out. Hey. Push her out of this compound. I do not want to see her here again. If I ever see her inside this house again,
Lose your job.
you are going to lose your job. Where you? Go.
I tell you, say I need go leave, come up for this house. Where me go leave for this inside house? With this side the joke. Oh yeah, now.
Your father house.
Your father house. You get
Wait. Princess, you still here? If you touch me, I will give you a death slap. Are you mad? Are you crazy? I do not want to see you again.
Oh, that's how they go.
Leave this compound and never come back again.
Amen. Move.
She's stubborn.
Fire! Move out! Fire!
I'm stubborn of you. She's stubborn. I don't want to talk to you.
Fire!
Can you just leave?
Can you?
Oh, that's
no, touch.
Get up. Okay, you that throw boss me. Show us someone catch
No. You that keep blood. They will give you blood. If I want to give blood, you can't come down.
Hey. Didn't I ask you to push her down?
No.
Take a man one day for your life.
What are you waiting for?
Now move. Madam, move.
Okay.
the year what?
Who knocked me go? Princess, hey. Let me hear myself. Let me hear myself. Princess. Leave this place. I do not want you again. I said I do not want you again.
Madam, they go now. Well, God kill you now. You go stand up. Back of pot. You don't go send them to surgery. Nash be this one. If not for one less now. You give me back my money for where they give me.
She stop on.
Nonsense. Oh, guys, say, can't not be you. I know the. Oh, that's why you carry this girl. Come on.
I go first, sir.
I love you so much.
Get up.
Get up.
Carry your bag. See. I don't want you again. I do not want you again. Princess, leave me alone and leave my life alone. Leave my life alone. I do not want you again.
One day follow ma. He said may leave us.
That boy you put for top of ma.
You want to get me?
It is my ma.
Yes? Princess, you want me to kill you before you leave this place, huh?
Kill her. Obi sure no far for you. I know where they put her. I feel like Obi sure.
Princess, you're not going anywhere. I love you. This guy loves me. Go take raise me up for you.
Anything bad if I carry my own sister.
So bring power for me. How you raise me from ground like that?
I don't know, sir. Now you are raised now. Sorry, no verse.
You?
Yes, sir.
Even you? No.
Yes.
Even
this stupid man, I planned it with him. And these two that used to hang on the gates, I planned it.
Are we the runner?
Okay. My love, come.
Start to hug the ugly. I get a form.
No, my love. That's what they do. Hey, can I hear myself? Sorry, sir. Yeah, babe. See, I planned all this.
Yes, I will the runner event.
I am so sorry about this, okay?
Yes.
You see, I've passed through a lot in the hands of women, okay? So I really want to try the one in my life. But you've proved me wrong. I'm so sorry, okay? I love you so much.
Get
to the enter. Hey.
Love story is enter. So how do they go?
I'm sorry, my
When
love.
Sarah, whatever will be, the full choice now asked to see. When Sarah, what will be?
I sack all of you. Get out.
Okay, after we don't do this thing, we
die here. You don't need to thank me. Whatever I do for them, I do for myself.
Well, there's something, so special about you. Because how can someone just see, strangers and decided to help them and want to send them abroad? I'm so happy about it. Thank you so much.
Okay, my name is David. I'm from Esan Northeast. Like my mother told me before she died.
You lost your mother?
Yeah.
So sorry about it.
Yeah, so rest in peace.
Amen.
Amen. She was impregnated by her lover, whose name was Obaze Okoje. As I was told, anyway. I believe the man left her with the pregnancy.
Did you just say Obaze or Koche?
Yes.
Could your mother's name be Omosele?
Yes. Do you know her? Wow.
I am Obasele Okoche. So you must be my son.
What?
It's a long story.
I'll take you to the space.
Really?
Yes.
You have to take me to the space.
Yes, ma'am. I'll do anything for you.
I would love to go to the space one day. There is fire on the mountain. Run!
How was it? Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Andy.
Is this your school?
No, Dad.
Who is this he goes with?
It's our teacher. No,
Matron. Matron. How is the labor ward? And how is your theatre? I can see it's telling on you. Almost there. Why do you want to bring shame to me? You want to frustrate my effort?
No, Dad. I'm sorry, Dad.
You know how hard I've been working to see you through this school.
I'm sorry.
I want to make you go high. You are here saying you are sorry. Almost there. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Come on.
Babe, did you know that your friends are really jealous about our relationship?
Are you serious?
Yes! Yeah!
That is their business.
I'll pass it! See, good afternoon. If another person do this, I'll kill him. Yeah. I'll call her. How far now? How you can't be waka for that your matter?
My guy, we still be on the hustle. This town no good though. We need to go somewhere to further our hustle.
All of them dream. That's why I can't just want to stay with him this month. I know that's part.
Just stay with him.
Under the ground.
Thank you for today for coming to pick me up in school. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
You know, I'll do more of that. You know, since there is no job now, I'll always come back to pick you.
Thank you. I guess I should go inside now.
Wait, what? What's wrong? What's wrong with your eye now? What? What's wrong with your eye? Eh?
Oi! So he is now your school teacher?
No, sir.
Eh?
No, Dad, no.
No, Daddy. And you are now my daughter's basketkeeper, Abi? Eh?
Sir, you don't understand.
Understand. Okay. Come and tell me how.
It's not what you think. It's not what you think.
It's not what I think. Come and tell me who are you and what are you thinking? Eh? Come on. Where's someone?
Obaze, I'm pregnant. And my father have started noticing it. And I don't just know what to do.
Omosele, are you sure? See, please, don't tell your father. Don't tell anybody. You know what? I'll go back to my father now so that we'll come and do the necessary things. Please, you know I love you.
I know you love me. But our love is just complicated.
How do you mean, complicated?
You won't understand. You won't.
Omosele! What will I do now? I think I will have her up to myself now. Yes, I think I should go and tell my father. Yes, my father must hear of this. Yes. Yes. Girl. Almost is pregnant. I have told my parents about it. And they said they will go and see her parents on Saturday. And I want you to be there with me.
Obaze. Yes. You know we've been brothers. Anyway. Through all the journeys, my brother.
Thank you very much.
You see, I never abandoned her. I cried and cried, but no one will listen to me. I loved her so much. I loved her so much that I even told my wife about it. And if I didn't love her, I wouldn't have. Son, I'm sorry.
Yes, my son. He tried looking for her. Please, forgive and forget. If not for anything, but because of your siblings, which you made up your mind to help even without knowing who they are. Please.
Please forgive them. Now that you're back to your family, why can't you give peace, love and happiness a chance? Please, I'm begging you, just forgive her. Please.
Father,
Son,
Mother.
My son.
Yes, I've heard your own side of the story. Who am I not to forgive you? I forgive you.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you so much.
Stop with the cheeky. Stop with the cheek like that. Don't cheek also.
Because they give you angel cloth, they go give me devil.
You tell yourself you don't say you devil.
Me and you na black and white too. Na like that, the why they want me.
They want you.
They want me. The day when we call this house, I don't think say I dey see this house for dream.
Oh! This life no balance. So that
Last,
they carry us from our destiny.
Last.
Our brother has.
Uncle Dan said na our brother.
You never said our brother will God they do something.
That means that go day time when I talk that I don't think say our father don dey grow. How did that go reach their money for corn now?
Don't see life. Brother Dan don't give us money. We'll go to buy better clothes.
Yes.
He said this week he go buy for me Santula hair.
Bow straight.
Okay.
Bow straight.
Bow straight.
Bow straight. That leg, that hair will be like a mommy water.
He say I'm Brazil.
hair. I used to be saying baby bossa. Millennium bossa.
Because you know they wear bossa.
When we hit bottle together, we hit her together.